Hello, my name is Widya Damayanti. I'm here for Syntax Remedial. Part 1. What is surface structure? Surface structure is the actual syntactic form of a sentence that is derived from the deep structure. It represents the final syntactic form that we see or bear in a sentence after all transformations have been applied. In transformational generate grammar, a theory developed by Noam Chomsky, sentences are true to have two level or structure: deep structure and surface structure. Deep structure is underlying structure, refers to the abstract representations of sentence that capture its core semantic relations and meaning. It's where the fundamental syntactic component and their relationship are institutionally defined. Surface structure is the outward form of sentence, the way it actually spoken or written. It generates form the deep structure through a series transformational rules and process. These rules include movement, deletions, iterations, and substitutions that model the deep structure to produce the final syntactic form. Surface structure reflect the final arrangement of words and phrases as they appear in a sentence. To understand surface structure better, let's look a few examples and see how surface structure can vary even when the underlying meaning, deep structure, remains the same. Example: active and passive voice. Deep structure, the core idea of dog chasing a cat. Surface structure, the dog chase the cat. Surface structure, passive voice, the cat is chased by the dog. Example second. The second example, relief clauses. Deep structure, the idea of a book that John read. Surface structure, simple sentence, John read a book. Surface structure with a relative clauses, the book that John read was interesting. The relative clause that John read is added to the sentence, chasing a surface structure to provide more information about the book. Deep structure, according Noam Chomsky, is the basic underlying form of sentence that shows its main meaning. It is the way words are organized before any change are made to create the final sentence we are see or hear, called the surface structure. Deep structure help us understand how different parts a sentence relate to each other and is important in Chomsky's theory of how sentences are formed. The relations of surface structure. Deep structure, this is a basic underlying form of a sentence that show in core meaning. It organizes the word and ideas in a way that reflect their relationships. Surface structure, this is a final form of the sentence that we actually hear or read. It is what we use everyday communication. Example: deep structure, John is ready to please. Surface structure, it's easy to please John. In this example, both sentences have the same deep structure or meaning, but they appear differently in surface structure due to the transformations applied. What is grammatical relations? Grammatical relation refer to the relationship between word and sentence that indicate their rules and functions, particularly how they interact with each other to convey meaning. These relationships have determined the syntactic structure of sentence, including the role of subject, verb, and object. For example, in the sentence the cat or subject, chase verb, the mouse object. The grammatical relations clarify who is performing the action and who is receiving it. Types of grammatical relations: subject-verb relations, object-verb relations, and agreement relations. Type of grammatical relations: object and verb relations. The object receives the action of verb. Object can be direct or indeed. Direct object, the noun or pronoun directly affected by verb. Example is in she reads the book. The book is direct object. Indirect object, the noun or pronoun that indirectly receive the actions, usually indicating to whom and for whom the acting done. Example in he gave her a gift. Her is the indirect object. Grammatical relations in different language. English, word order. English primarily use a subject, verb, object, SVO order. Example, the cat chased the mouse. Arabic, case marking and arrangement. Arabic use ending and agreement in gender and number. Example, al-walad ya'kul tufaha. The boy eats the apple. The article ending show grammatical relations. Structure dependence. Structure dependence means that the rule of grammar in sentence depends on how the words are organized in the group, that not just on the order they appear. This means that the way words are connected to each other is more important for understanding the sentence than the order of the word themselves. Example of structure depends. The cat that chased the dog is running. The structure shows that the cat is the subject and chase the dog is described with cat. The dog that chased by the cat is running. In this case, the dog is a subject and that chased the cat describe which dog. Even though the word cat and dog are different order in each sentence, the meaning change based on how they group and connected. The structure of the sentence help us to understand who is doing the actions. Subject auxiliary inversion. Subject auxiliary inversion is when order of the subject and the auxiliary verb helping verb change in a sentence. This usually happens in a question and some conditional sentence. For example, in a question, is she coming? The auxiliary verb is come before the subject she. In the conditional sentence, where are you? I would accept the over. The auxiliary verb where come before the subject. This change in order help show that the sentence in a question to express conditions. The example in different contexts. Question: yes, or no questions. Are you ready? With question, where have you been? Negative sentence, hadn't they finished their work? Isn't she coming to the party? Conditional sentence, where in your shoes I would take that job. Had I known about the meeting, I would haven't entered. Relative clause. A relative clause is a type of dependent clause that provide additional information about a noun or pronoun in the main clause of a sentence. It functions as an adjective describing or identifying the noun. Relative clauses typically begin with relative pronouns such as who, whom, whose, which, or that. For example, in the sentence, the book that I borrow is on the table. The relative clause that I borrow give more information about the book. Part 2. Diagram. Sentence breakdown. The entire sentence is the main structure. Noun praise, the quick brown fox, and the lazy dog. Verb phrase, jump over the lazy dog, is the verb phrase. Determine the in both noun phrase, adjective, quick, and borrow, modifying fox and lazy. Noun is the fox and dog, verb is jump, preposition is the cover. The second one. Sentence, the entire sentence, the main structure, noun phrase, the girl who is wearing a red dress, is the subject noun phrase. Verb phrase, and dancing in the verb phrase. Determining in the subject noun phrase. Relative clause, who is wearing the red dress, is the relative clause modifying girl. Relative pronoun, who introduce the relate clause. Verb phrase is wearing a red dress. Within relative clause. Noun phrase is a red dress within the relative clause. Determine is the relative clause noun phrase. Adjective is a red, modifying the dress. Noun is the dress, verb is wearing in the relative clause. Verb second is the main verb phrase. The third verb is dancing in the main verb phrase. Sentence breakdown. Sentence, the entire sentence structure. Noun phrase is Stefano in the subject noun phrase. Verb phrase, saw the Yehezkiah with the telescope. It's the verb phrase. Noun phrase, the Yehezkiah is the direct object noun phrase. Oppositional pirate with the pirates with the telescope modified the verb so. Determine the is both Yehezkiah and telescope. Noun is Yehezkiah and telescope. Verb is saw. Preposition is with. Sentence breakdown. Sentence, the entire sentence structure. Noun phrase, she is the subject noun phrase. Verb phrase is believe that the earth is round. In the verb phrase, verb is believe is the main verb. Complementizer phrase, that the earth is a round function as complement of belief. Complement that introduce the complement clause. Noun phrase is the earth within the complement clause. Verb phrase is around within the complement clause. Determine the in the earth. Noun is earth. Verb is in the complement clauses. Adjective is around in the complement clauses. The article determine house is a noun or subject, where is adverb as conjunctions of place and function as adverb. Personal pronoun subject in a verb grew. Grew is a verb, main verb. Up is adverb modifying crew. Has verb, auxiliary verb. Been verb, part of the past participle been. Demolize. Demolize verb, the mean of past participle. Maybe until enough here for me. I apologize if there's a mistake from me. Toodles.